Ooh. Ooh. Wow, it's much smaller than I think. Is it real? The wind is so strong? Okay, let's try. The first button. Second, bigger. This is the biggest. It has 4. No, wow. The wind is strong. And let's see. This button is just make the wind slow. Like it only have 2 buttons. Here is has a hook. You can put it on a string when you go camping. Yeah, go outside. Put it on a strap. It comes with this sticker. You can put it on the wall or in the toilet. Let's try. Nice! For people like me who always stay in the toilet, will like it very much. Definitely will give it 5 stars.